Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the ZkSync Airdrop. The snapshot maybe was already taken. I'm going to give you exactly my theory why I think this, and why I think that if you are starting to do the ZkSync Airdrop you may be already late. So for my followers, I don't recommend to start this airdrop now, but I'm going to give you my reasons why I'm supporting this idea. So in this video I show you step by step how I am thinking that the airdrop of ZkSync is already taken. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, ZkSync is now the most expected airdrop. We have been farming this in my community for more than 1 year, and we just got starknet that we are going to receive it the 20th of February, and now the big airdrop that we are expecting is ZkSync. We can see that there are many layer 2 solutions right now. Now, take in consideration that this is only my theory and I'm going to give you my reasons. I don't have any confirmation that this is actually what happened. But again, if you are starting or thinking to do the ZkSync airdrop, I would recommend you to pass it on this one and start focusing on new airdrops. And according to my theory, the snapshot was already taken or just been taken. Or at least you are going to see that you will probably not get the airdrop if you start right now. So the first point that I want to comment is about that in previous airdrops, it's common that the projects are sometime in mainnet before doing the airdrop. Optimism is one of those rare scenarios. They were live in December 16 of 2021. The snapshot for this airdrop was taken, for the first airdrop of Optimism, was taken on March 25 of 2022. The OPT token airdrop 1 was launched in June in 2022, so we can see that was only 3 months since the live of the mainnet to the snapshot. So they were already in live, having in consideration that they were launching the OP token for governance at that time. So here we was only 2 months from the snapshot to the airdrop. Remember, when they announced the airdrop, they probably already have taken the snapshot 1, 2 or 3 months before that date. You are going to see that in these examples. The case of Arbitrum, it was that Arbitrum was live in August on 2021, and the snapshot of the Arbitrum 1 airdrop was in February 6, 2023. So the ARB token was launched in March in 2023, so only 1 month after the snapshot. And it was 1 year and 6 months since the project was live until the snapshot. So you can see that the case of Optimism only 3 months, but for Arbitrum it took 1 year and 6 months since the project was live until they took the snapshot. Now the third case that I am basing my theory is starknet. They went live with the version 0.9.0 in June 6 of 2022. The snapshot was taken in November 15 of 2023, and the Stark token is going to be available now the 20th of February of 2024. So you can see that the airdrop was 3 months after the snapshot and passed 1 year and 4 months since the project was live until they took the snapshot. So Arbitrum and starknet is very similar. 1 year and 6 months for Arbitrum, 1 year and 4 months for starknet. It's different for Optimism, which was one of the pioneers on the layer 2 solutions on launching airdrop. I will take like the average time around 1 year and a half or 1 year and 4 months for Arbitrum and starknet. Here my theory with ZkSync is that the live version of ZkSync Lite, it was already active in June of 2020. So we are talking about that this was before even the Optimism. Now, the version that I think that they are going to base most of their transactions, and maybe they do some boost of their airdrop for users of ZkSync Lite, but mainly they are going to base the airdrop on ZkSync ADA. That is what I'm thinking. They went live with this version of the protocol the 24th of March of 2023. So this was the mainnet alpha becoming open to the public. So is a snapshot already taken in January 2024, and it could mean that the ZkSync airdrop is in March. If it is in March, it could be like a 1 year anniversary airdrop. I think that could make sense. because I don't think that they are going to expect 1.5 years just to be in the same average of time like starknet or Arbitrum. If they launch the airdrop on the middle of 2024, I am thinking that that could be already too late, because many protocols are already on the top 50 on layers 2 and the bull run is really starting already. So I am really expecting that probably we are going to have news about the airdrop of ZkSync in March of this year. From the version of the Lite, ZkSync Lite of June 2020 have been passing already 3 years and 8 months. So that is already a lot of time, and I think that they should be launching their airdrop soon. And from February of the current month, we have been passing already 11 months since the launch of ZkSync Era went live. So taking an average of 2 months here, because for Optimism was 2 months, Arbitrum 1 month, and 3 months for starknet from the moment that they announced the airdrop. Let's say that for ZkSync is the average, which is 2 months. So they are going to have the snapshot 2 months before they announce the airdrop. According to my theory, if they announce the airdrop on March as an anniversary of the ZkSync era, that means that the snapshot was taken on January of 2024. And here is where comes the next points. So my point 2 is that it's a common criteria in last layer 2 airdrops that you need to do transactions over at least 2 or 3 consecutive months. For Arbitrum, it was at least 2 consecutive months. For starknet, it was at least 3 consecutive months. This means that in order to be eligible to the criteria and considering a 2 months of average between the airdrop and the snapshot, you will need at the moment of the ZkSync airdrop official announcement at least 5 months before of activity. That means that according to my theory, if they announce in March, at the end of March, the airdrop, you will need at least be active since November or October of 2023 to participate on this airdrop. So that is basically my theory about the ZkSync snapshot and airdrop. Also, I think that the point 3 could be something. I cannot confirm this, but there is in the code of the GitHub repository of ZkSync Era a snapshot creator component that could be related to a tool or a library to get information of transactions on the network under certain parameters. So here I put the GitHub repository. You can see that this information is public, so you can go to the link there and search for snapshot. So you can go here and here search for a snapshot, and you can see that even if this is a Docker component on the snapshot creator, you can see that this is part of the core folder of the ZkSync Era and is under the library section of their code. And you have the snapshot creator, the snapshot applier, and I checked this, and because I am a developer, I can go into the code and at least understand what they are mentioning, but I cannot confirm that this is 100% used for the taking of the snapshot for the airdrop. But in many places I can say that it's related to the track of transactions on the network. So you can do your own research about this, but it's mentioned in very many places. So this is why I also think that they could already been taking the snapshot for the airdrop. And finally, the point 4 here is that there are many layer 2 competitors that already launched their token. ZkSync is basically one of the last important layer 2 solutions to launch the token, the governance program, and start participating on the crypto market. Like I mentioned before, we are still missing Base, Linea, and Scroll, but for sure ZkSync was one of the first ones and one of the big airdrops that we are waiting for. So those are all the points on why I think that the ZkSync airdrop snapshot was taken, or that you are already late to start farming this airdrop. If you like this content and all related to airdrops, don't forget to go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. I have a private Discord with around 500 people. We will manage high level of information about airdrops, airdrop distribution, and different things about crypto. So if you're looking at a community and if you are trying to start on airdrops, you need to be part of my Discord. And I also created an application that if you are new on airdrops, is going to help you a lot, because help you to organize your airdrop activity, how you apply to airdrops, and actually it's not attached to my YouTube channel or my airdrops. You can use it with your custom airdrops from another sources. If you are interested in this, please go to my website and check the subscriptions. That will be all for the ZkSync Airdrop Snapshot theory, that I think that the snapshot was already taken. And of course, this is only speculation from my side. You can take your chances. It's a risk-reward ratio to participate at this time on the ZkSync airdrop. But for my community, I don't recommend you. I think you have many other good strategies on airdrops. So stay tuned to my channel and my Discord if you want to be part of this airdrop hunting path. That will be all for this video. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.